First watch this video guys. Are you a company owner or run a small business and want to promote your business through ads but you have low budget? Don't worry, I have got a solution for you. Nano Banana. You have never seen a better use of AI than this. Now with the help of AI, you can very easily create such UGC video, that too completely in low budget. Whether your brand is a packaged item or cosmetic or a clothing brand, you can very easily create such UGC videos in low cost. Be it UGC or CGI, this single AI tool will create such images for your brand in just 2 clicks. So let's start this video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more useful videos like this. For this, you need 2 things. First, you need an image of your product and then the image of the model in whose hand you want to place your product. Now bring both these images into Google AI Studio. Here choose Nano Banana and upload your images here. Then write the prompt for what kind of image you want. And generate. Our image is ready. Quite a good image and our model also looks consistent. So let's download it. Now come to Kling AI. Here select video. Then image to video. And now upload your image here. Then simply write the prompt and then generate. So here our video is ready. Looks realistic and engaging, right? So this was the tutorial for UGC ads. If you also want a tutorial JSON ads, then comment JSON. Thank you.